Yeah, hi students, welcome to the spokentutorial.org website. This is the site name which you need to type it here in the web browser, and then you'll be getting the display of the page like this. So you have to register with your accounts as shown here, desired name. So let us say Hari. I'm just trying to get it. First name, let us say Hari Nath. Last name, let us say Chanam. And my mail ID, you can have it GPR Harinath, GPRC1. For example, I'm just giving you the details how to get it registered. 99661224, and password you can type it. So finally, you can click on this. I'm not a robot, and you can say Hari already exists, so you can have Harinath. Again, retype the password. So go for I'm not a robot, and you can have valid username. So it is showing again because there should not be any space. So that's why it's asking again like that. Just again type it. Click on this I'm not a robot, and you'll see registration successful. And you can go to check the mail, and if you want you can also check the mail. I'll just try to log in whether I got the mail or not. So you can log into this particular mail. So I already have a Gmail account, and with my Gmail account credentials I'm logging to this and trying to see whether okay, account activation link, I got it. So just click on this. Thank you for registering. You may activate your account by clicking on the link below. So this is one. Click on that and your account will be activated. See here, this is how you are going to get the credentials and the login details for this spoken tutorial website. Here you can just go to different courses. You can see Advanced C, you can see Advanced C++. Any course that you want to that you want to learn, you can have it here. And especially for engineering, especially first year students, I can say that C and CPP are very important. And even you can have Advanced C also. Just you can click on this C and CPP. I'm just showing, and you can see here any language you like, you can have even that language. Is it clear? Or even you want to go for Telugu, you can go for Telugu. It all depends on the language that you like to have it. So like that you can open it and see here you can listen any program. So just as a simple aspect, I am considering one first video where you can just open it and you can see how it is. Just it will ask you and
Welcome
it
to
will
the
show you
spoken tutorial on
how
Fast
this
C
video is
program. In this
prepared.
tutorial, we will learn how to write a simple C program, how to compile it, how to execute it. We will also explain some common errors and their solutions. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu operating system version 11.10.
If you want, you can also post the questions as shown here. These are the things, okay, that is how this will help you. So you can have even first program and everything is given here. So all these are self-explanatory. I think no need of in detail explanation. This is how you have to select any particular course and then log in, then listen how the program is or how the video is giving explanation for any particular topic. So like that you can select any particular software. All these are free open source softwares. So you can also select any other if you are interested in let us say Arduino programming, or if you are interested in one more important aspect, especially for EEE and EC, you can select eSIM. So like that, even you have all different types of open source software. So when you say that Microsoft Office, so it's a licensed version, but you can have it here LibreOffice, which is completely license free, open source. Similarly, you can have what we can say the Linux. You can have even OpenHome. Any software that you like to learn, you can open it and you can listen and try to get it practice through your laptop or system. So like that, you have this spoken tutorial project. I hope you understand. So that's it about the spoken tutorial project, and for any clarification you need, you can contact me or the respective department coordinators. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.